Stock market crash, recession, market falling. Everyone is talking about it. But the real question is, should you be worried about it, or is this actually an opportunity? Hey, I am Naman and welcome to my channel Finance with Naman. So in this video, we will be discussing about, is the crash really coming or not? So now let us discuss what is a crash. So a crash is when the market falls very fast, like 20-30% or even more in a very short period of time. But here's where most people get confused. Not every fall is a crash. Sometimes markets just correct, meaning they fall a little after going up too much. Think of it like running. You can't run forever. You need rest in between. So now let's discuss why people are thinking that the crash is coming. So over the past few years, markets have given us strong returns. And whenever the markets rise continuously, a correction is natural. As we know, markets move in cycles, not in a straight line. The other thing which is affecting the markets a lot is global factors. Right now, there are many global factors that are creating uncertainty in the markets, like inflation, war, interest rates, economic crisis, etc. So when interest rates goes up, borrowing becomes difficult, and then the companies grow slower and the market reacts. Another big reason of market crash is fear. News channels, social media, and everywhere, everyone is talking only about crashes. So that's create fear among people. So as we know, bad news spreads faster than the good news. The other thing is overhyped stocks. Some stocks grow only because of hype. They don't have strong fundamentals or strong business. And when reality hits, they fall very quickly. Now here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. No one can predict market perfectly. No experts, no influencers, no one. If predicting crashes was easy, everyone would have been rich. So instead of trying to predict the market, here's what I'm doing. So I'm investing slowly. I'm not putting all my money at once. I am investing step by step, like SIP, which is Systematic Investment Plan. So this reduces the risk. Second is keeping some cash. I'm also going to keep some cash. So if market falls, I can invest more. Third is focusing on good companies. I am not chasing those hype stocks. I am focusing on strong companies that could survive through tough times. Then fourth one, thinking for long term. I'm not thinking about short term like 2 to 3 months. I'm thinking about next 5 to 10 years. Let's say market falls 20%. Most people panic and sell off everything. But someone who stays calm at that time and invests more at that particular time gets stock at discount price. So same stock, lower price and higher returns. So the biggest mistake that people make is that they invest when the market is already at its high and sell when it falls. But smart investors do the opposite. So they buy when the market is at its low and sell when the market is at its high. So is a stock market crash coming? Maybe yes, maybe no. But one thing is certain, markets go up and down. The real question is not when the crash is really going to come. The real question is, are you prepared? So if you want to learn investing and money in a simple way, make sure to subscribe my channel.